Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can stream on Twitch from your mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. You can follow this guide on both iOS devices and Android devices as well. You can actually stream using the Twitch app. So all you need to do is go and open up your Play Store or App Store and go and get Twitch and go and open it up. Then go and sign in to the account you wish to go and stream from. And then what you want to do is just go to the top right and click on the create button. It will then switch you to the creator mode. Then to get streaming, you need to go down to the bottom and click on that plus button. And you then have two options to stream games or stream IRL. So in this case, I want to stream games, but you can do either. So I'll click there. Then we need to go and choose which you wish to go on stream. So in this case, we want to go and stream Minecraft, but yours may be something different. Once you've selected it, click on continue and then click next. And now we can go and get started with this. So first of all, you can go and give your stream a title. So in this case, I may name it something like Minecraft with friends or whatever it is. You can also click on edit stream info as well. And it's a load of different information you can change. For example, the notification message, the tags, stuff like that. Then we've got the stream volume. So you've got your microphone and then the device. So the device is going to be things like the sound coming out of the device. So that will be like things like the game sound. I want people to definitely be able to go and hear me. It sort of gives you some advice there as well. You can choose if you want to go and store your past broadcasts as well, which I want to do. So once you're ready, go and press on the Open Stream Controls button at the bottom. And you've now started your broadcast. And so then what you can do is go and get into your game. And then your live stream will be started. So that's basically how you can stream on Twitch from your mobile. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks